All right, today we're going to talk a little bit about using adhesive grade materials versus non-adhesive grade materials. In this case, we're looking at two side-by-side kickers that have been sitting in water after a rain event. What you have is on the kicker on the left is a moisture-resistant MR50 MDF, and what you have on the right is what would be a standard a standard MDF material. You know, what's evident is you can see the discoloration that has happened on it. It's sitting in about 1/8 of an inch of water inside of this blockout area. And probably the number one thing you can see, or when you're looking at non-moisture resistant materials, is you're looking at here in the wet, there's no flaking or anything. It is a solid piece. When we look over here, this is literally, I could just with my thumb just pull off pieces of MDF. Same thing's true on this side. I mean, it's just literally falling apart on you. Why that is important in the adhesive world and whenever you're bonding materials as a surface slab is because the material on the right is going to expand and change its shape as it's drying. What that causes the adhesive to do, put stress on it, and the adhesive eventually will let go. And the contractor is going to be very unhappy because everything they glued down, all these kickers, are going to be coming off on them. And that's not a good thing. They're not going to be happy with us or anybody else. But the reality is they chose the wrong material to glue down. The left material is really what you want, something that's going to stay stable in its shape, and it's going to work with the adhesive and not against it to give the best performance. So guys, make sure you're choosing the right grade of materials anytime you're choosing to glue down.